Ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga chuga, ooga chuga, booga booga. Hello everybody, don't mind that. Today we are playing some Spore on our leisurely planet Quanz. So, may we begin? I'm sorry if my voice sounds like it just died. I woke up at 7. Mr. Legs. Why isn't there an Umbreon? Whoa! Why am I in the middle of the sea? Okay. When you're now birds, okay, our main objective is to be fast and eat ass. So, wait. Okay, that's just a freaking stick. I don't care about stick. Where is the place where there is not sticks? Where is the place where I can murder innocent animals? What is that? Oh look, they have a reason to murder. Okay, boys, charge. Kill him, boys, kill him. Like ambush their father and like claw it to the ground. Honey, where are you? Honey! Nobody cares about you yet? Die, you sketchy boy. The hell is that? Ew. Something defenseless. I guess we'll go on for that next. You're not allowed to raise your children in peace in this neighbourhood, boy. You now face the consequences of your actions. And kill a defenseless creature. Yay! I am now a murderer. How many are you? Oh my god, why is there so many of these bees? Oh my god. Have we won yet? Okay, I think we won. Going down a bit from our roots. 15 creatures killed, bloody hell. Right, we may have to, be a little friendly boy. Frick off, you smelly boy. Oh wait, unknown species, it could be anything. It's that. Really? Game, why are you gonna do me like that? It's just a bird. That's a bird! Everybody sing. Doopa doopa doo. I hate singing. I mean, our singing is beautiful because you go. Still. We need food before we die. Yummy, yummy. This boy's grab from bush. Must be a big boy. Oh, frick you. Oi! Stealing all my food. Bully. You don't even need food anymore. There we go. Alright. We've got our daily intake of sustenance, everybody. Hey, go us. Where should we go now? I guess we'll go back to house and fix our ugliness. Oh wait, I forgot we was meant to be migrating. Oh well, I guess we'll migrate then. I guess we'll migrate. Is this a migration? Is it? No, it's not. Where is the thing that I can frick? There it is. Alright, now it's time to change this beefy boy, make him even more beefy. Oh boy, oh look at that, oh. He's now the chunkiest of the chunkies. Oh my god! We've gone a bit too far with the chunkiness. Comment down below if we should keep the chunky. Do we have any new wings? No. No, we don't. Okay. We have new scritchy scratches. There we go. Now we can be the ultimate murder machine. Oh, we have the maximum level mouth as well. Okay, we're gonna keep those eyes until the end of time. So, boop, and then boop. There we go. Look at us. Subscribe, please. Has never looked so beautiful as this. Look at him. He is like Sonic the Hedgehog now. But if he was the thickest man alive, we gotta get that giant spread. Oh boy, look at that chunky legs. What am I doing with my life? The most intimidating roar. Ugly thing used super stomp because his thighs are so thick he can shake the earth. Okay, I think we've done evolving for now. Oh wait, we need better feet. It's our feet right now. Our fur is a weak. Oh, I can't get better feet. What if we sacrifice our wings? We don't need wings. Oh, still oh my god, one more! Oh no. I need literally one more. There's nothing to get. Oh. I came in like a stressing ball. I guess we'll just use that and then wait. It's tiny again. I can't select the foot. There we go. There we go. There we go. Look everybody, it's subscribe please, he's back in action. Trying to make it so the legs do not become conjoined. Oh yeah, there we go. Well, that's just why does he have to make him? Now it looks like he's spreading. Oh god. Oh well, it doesn't matter. That's subscribe please now. Just gonna have to get used to seeing Satan walking around everywhere, you know. There we go. Subscribe please is done. We're gonna look absolutely horrifying in this nest, aren't we? Oh dear god, look at us! We're huge! Push, push, push. Oh my god, look at our stride. That is one heck of a stride, wow. Do not raid Area 51, what's going around? Well, he will boil your bones. What is even happening? There's a giant hole in the ground. Oh yeah, because it rained from the skies. What should the thickest dinosaur of all do? Oh, look. Bones. Yummy bones. Okay, you know what, let's go on a psychopathic murdering spree because we can. We've done it. And it's spore, nobody cares. Chimp! Ew! The last traces of humanity on this planet. Get rid of it! Get rid of the chimp! Disgusting. A trace of humanity. Only the demon creatures shall be left. Hey, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Hey, gamers. Hey, gamers, let's go to war. Easy moves. Easy moves. Oh, frick, I'm actually about to die! Okay, alright, okay. Okay, alright, okay, we can escape now. Oh boy. There probably would have been a more logical way to do that, but wait, have we even died this playthrough? No, we haven't died. We haven't died once. Would you look at that? Oh yeah, we have. Heck. God damn it. We wasn't thick enough back then. But now we're the thickest boys in the land. Nobody can stop the thickness. Do you remember when we was cute little dinosaurs? Yeah, me too. And then times changed. We grew bigger. We grew stronger. We grew larger. And it's not even the end of the creature stage, I mean, yet. So, okay, back to war. Oh! Big brain! I now have big brain. My god, I'm so big brain! Guys, we're big brain! Extra large brain? What are you talking about? This guy's head's like, this guy's body's smaller than his calves. Oh my god, look how much health we have. 46. You better cower. Cower in our iridescence. Die! Yes, they have ascended to heaven. We win. And that, kids, is how you smack your microphone and also win a battle. Wow, we are such majestic creatures. Stomp, 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 stomp. Well, we're gonna beat the creature stage in this episode because heck it, I'm feeling like a long episode. Look at that chunky walk. So I'm gonna get the wide Putin music on this. Person who knows everything, I'm calling on you. Wide Putin, now. Put wide Putin music over this right now. Anybody who can edit, please. If you're watching this, thank you. And then send it to me on Discord. I need to see it. Am I even recording? Oh, thank God. Yes, I am. I was about to jump out of nest. Look at son. Loving family. Well, hey. Mummy, why am I dead? Okay, go back to our loving family. Feet. Yes! Now we can be birds. Bird feet. Bunna, 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 bunna. I guess we might as well add some detail. To make it look not as ugly. Okay, this is like the most unserious thing I've ever done in my whole entire time of like 6 years of playing Spore. It's the most unprofessional thing I've ever done. Yes, I'm that. I've played Spore for that long. I know it's sad. Get used to it. This channel is for sadders. Yeah, look, we evolved to have no need for wings, so we turned the wings into a 049 cape because we can. Okay. 049 activate. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, there we go. Look, I am the cure. His bulge is the cure. Oh wait, we should actually make. No. We can keep it as the nipples, but we ain't gonna do it on the other bit. Okay, we might have to. Oh, but I don't know what am I doing. That he also learned how to become a wyvern because I can. Okay, spore, you can't stop me. Yes, now I'm a wyvern man. Wyvern man, take me by the hand, take me to the land. Let's give him some wings so he can. Oh wait, never mind. I can't give him wings. Okay, I guess that's gonna be the final version of subscribe, please. I think altogether we should just make the legs smaller again, just because. Well, now you're moving house. When we look beautiful. Goodbye, senoritas. Goodbye. I have nipples. Yes, we know, Jim. We know. Nobody cares. Oh, nobody cares about my nipples. Oh my god, the babies. There's Bubba's hatching. Bubba's, why have you come back? You're not meant to be here. Yes, that's charm. Alabama. I mean Alabama. Oh god, we need to learn how to pose as well. What we could do is, oh my god, what the hell's happened to us? Why are we Cyclops now? Why are we Lila? You really know how to strike, man. We've been striking for years. Is he really going to teach us every single thing we've learned? Okay, boys, this is how you fight the troops on the battlefield. Come on, we need you to win this. Jin, 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 jin. Should we just try and find one random creature that exists in this forest? Should we try and get a Skitterino, even though they're like really scared of us? Hey man, I know we almost eradicated your whole entire species, but do you want to be our friend? Okay, fair enough, fair enough. Hey guys, I know we almost eradicated the whole entire species, but do you want to be our friend? Why is everybody scared of us? Is that our manly physique or our big fat wyvern wings? I don't know. Okay, is there any other wayward spirits who would like to join us on our quest to Hectown? Oh, what's this? Species I haven't. Oh, it's on the rock. Never mind then. Just on the rock is out of bounds. What are those? Oh my god, look at the little birdies. Okay, I guess we'll get a burb. I know you have a whole entire family, but would you like to be kidnapped forever? Oh my god, you got your whole squad. Good, because you can't blooming sing. Let's hope he doesn't know how to dance, or we're screwed. Okay, good, they're retarded. Just like Hydra. Okay. Okay, boys, we need to befriend this bird. Oh, yes, I have a big brain idea. What if we just push the species of birds away, and then they can't sing with their friends? I'm such a big brain. I love how this game has physics. What the hell is that? Oh, it's those guys. You know, remember the guys we befriended at the start? Oh, for God's sake, okay. Just sing, boys, sing. When the dance moves cannot destroy us. There we go, look, now he's singing on our behalf. Thank you. And we need to befriend one more of you, and then we can kidnap you forever. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, you! With me. Oh my god, my giant thick thighs can push people around, this is amazing. Maybe there was an evolutionary advantage to having thick thighs anyway. We can't dance, so we'll just sing. Yay, we got a ponytail. No, we're never gonna use it. Oh yeah, let's just take one of these instead. Young one, would you like to come with us on our quest? Oh my god, it's so small as well. I am sorry, young one, but we have kept to our promise. You must keep a bird. Maybe another day, long-eyed freak. And that is how the long-eyed freak became became a supervillain in the Candyland 24 canon. Yay, now we have Pet Burb. Yes, come on, Pet Burb, we will eat together. Yes, guys, look at our pet bird. Who knew something would be one of friends of something as hideous as this demon? But yay. Crinklet? The hell is a crinklet? Oh, it's that. Aw. Hi. I'm sorry, everyone. We cannot bring you on our journey. Maybe next time. And that's how the long-eyed freak and the crinklet became best friends and then destroyed the empire. That would be hilarious. Pick it up, pick it up. I like picking things up. Here you go, honey. You gave me stick. I don't want stick. I want a big dick. That's not what you're gonna get. Fuck you. Okay, whatever. Ba ba da ba ba da ba 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 ba. Run, why are you so small? Come on, man, dude. Oh, okay. Our bird is going. Where are we even going? What the hell is that? Somebody invite over King Kong or something. Okay. Let's let King Kong go extinct because the movie is dead and nobody likes King Kong anymore. Yes, we're basically unstoppable now. Oi, oi, you don't attack animals. It's against the bloody law. Yes. That's right. Better back off. Yeah, you better back off. I only just realised that you can use that to scare off enemies or draw predators to you. That's actually kind of cool. Yeah, you better bug off. There we go. Look, we scared off another innocent creature. Look at us go. How can you jump so high? They go like 20 feet in the air and I only go like 5 feet in the air. Is this because I'm black, yellow and purple? I'll have you know that black, yellow and purplians are allowed in this 20th century thing. Yeah. I mean the 22nd century. What am I talking about? Yeah, exactly, buddy. Hello, Twibblegone. Even though you think you're tall, I am taller than you, so go die. Oh my god, guys, look, it's our little tiny private swimming pool. Give this video 3 to what the hell is this? I only just realised that this is actually a giant footstep. Ah. Oh, Jesus Christ, yeah, swim away from that. What the hell? Buh! 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 The buh. I swear to God that rock just moved. Didn't that rock just move, guys? Okay, so we're not gonna get those because I don't know, but I have a bad feeling that's gonna be a giant creature. What is that? A Surian. giant SCP-173 comes out of the bush and then snaps all of our necks simultaneously. Yay, we're home. What? Is that a tree? Ah! What the hell? No. Let's go this way. This is. Oh my god. Oi! Oh, what have you done? What have you done? Okay, I guess it's to war then. I guess we're going to war. I swear to God, if I die to these things. Get in, boys! They spat up my pet. Who would win in a fist fight? One of these creatures or one of those creatures? Probably one of these creatures because we're winning. Oh god, we're actually about to lose. Okay. Oh no! Why do you ever give up, man? Please just give up. What the hell? I'm sorry, boys, but no, somebody's dead. Somebody's dead. Okay, please give me food. I'm the most important. Please give me food. Okay, now I hate them so much. I want to lead that giant plant thing towards them. I'll plant here. Our Lord and Savior plants. Come out wherever you are. I have a treat for you. Some free bananas. Why does everybody hate us around here? Silent, now's not the time. Bird, get over here. We need to exact our revenge on those a-holes. They may have defeated us this time, but I assure you we'll be back. And we will have our revenge. Okay, where the hell's that plant? Not those plants, the other plant, the big plant. The plant eat plant world out here, boys. Oh, the body of one of our slaughtered brethren. I don't think anybody's gonna want to come with us on adventures now. Oh yeah, there it is! Oh my god, yes, it's going towards their nest. Come on, go towards their nest. Go towards them. What? What was that? Okay, I don't care. Oh, what the hell? Why is there a spaceship? There's a spaceship, there's a giant plant. What the hell is happening? Do you think I'm on an acid trip at the moment? Yes! The giant plant is killing the little plants. And just for good measure, I'll kill their child so that they can grow up. Kill their child! There we go.
Why are you killing the child?
Because they're child evil. Oh my god, they're getting abducted by aliens and also being killed by giant plants. This is amazing. Oh, baby, subscribe please. Oh, what? Yeah, I know, there's an alien. Now may I take some of your time to talk with you, please? Yeah, I know there's a giant alien spaceship running around, but I need to talk to you real quick, Sonny Jim.
You don't make food.
What are you doing? I am scared, but also I want to talk to you, Savannah. My god, my species of wimps. Shoot lasers at it! Ah! I don't know. Oh yeah, look, it's gone now. Hold on, why have we put a stick in the ground? Oh my god, guys, we're making a civilization here. Oh! Spore galactic adventures. Nom nom nom. Okay, after that fiasco is now over, I would like to present to you a singing competition, and if I win, you have to join me. Okay, it's not singing. Ta-da! I'm better than you. Okay, yeah, okay. Now we have another member of the squad. Hopefully won't die. Wazowski. My worst enemy. To war. I don't even know. To war. That whole entire nest comes back and there's like 40 of them. I think it's time to evacuate. Beep bird, beep 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 beep, beep 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 beep, pee birds, pee birds, pee birds, pee birds. Oh no, we're in the middle. We need to go back up to the top real quick. Frick it. We're gonna kill the baby so we can go even further now. No, future generations of the Wallace Scandal bosoms. No, future generations of the big fat bosoms. Okay. Whee! Hello. What? No, I do not want to take part in sexual intercourse with you, female. Well, I guess we're not gonna beat this tribal stage in this video. See you all later. I hear murder noises. Oh, what the hell? We're being attacked! Okay, yeah. After we murder this creature, okay. Now, the end of the video. Okay. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.